Hello everyone, this is Kinjal Parmar. Today we will discuss binary logical operations. So let's start. Binary logical operation. A binary logic operation is operation that manipulates binary values. And to manipulate binary value, we require a circuit which performs specific binary logical operation is known as a logical gate. A circuit which performs specific binary logical operation, that means a circuit which manipulates binary value logically, is known as a logic gates. There are various types of logic gates are available. So let's discuss types of logic gate. Types of logic gate. First, basic gates. Basic gates, that means using these gates we can perform basic operations. So here are the basic gates: NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate. Universal gates. Universal gates, that means using only one gate, or says using this gate we can perform any kind of operation, any kind of basic operation. These universal gates are NAND gate and NOR gate. That means using NAND gate only we can implement all kind of basic operations, and using NOR gate also we can implement all the types of basic operations. Next, derived type gates, XOR and XNOR. This derived type gates, that means these gates are derived from basic gates. Here XOR, that means exclusive OR, XNOR, that means exclusive NOR. Here are the various types of logic gate. Let's discuss what are the characteristics of this logic gates and how they are work. First, NOT gate. The NOT gate is an electronic circuit that produced an inverted version of the input at its output side. It is also known as an inverter. That means using NOT gate we can produce inverted output. If the input variable is A, the inverted output is known as a NOT A, and this is represented as a A dash or A bar. Here is the graphical representation of NOT gate. Here we give one input A and we have a one output A dash. Characteristic of NOT gate: when input A equal to 0, we have a output 1, and when input A equal to 1, we have a output 0. The logical expression of NOT gate is Y is equal to A dash. So this is how NOT gate can work. AND gate. The AND gate is an electronic circuit that gives a high output, that means 1, only if all inputs are high. That means whenever we require a condition when we have a high output, only for input conditions when all the inputs are high, then we can use this AND gate. If the input variables are A and B, the AND operation is represented by a dot. For example, A dot B, that means here AND operation is done between A and B, or we can simply represent A, B. Here is the graphical representation of AND gate. A and B are two inputs and we have a one output AB. Here is the characteristic of AND gate: A, B, and we have a output AB. So whenever any of the input are 0, we have a 0 output. Only for condition when both the inputs A and B 1, we have a 1 output. The logical expression of AND gate is Y is equals to AB. OR gate. The OR gate is an electronic circuit that gives a high output, that means 1, only if one or more of its input are high. That means whenever we have a one of the input 1, we have a 1 output. If the input variables are A and B, the OR operation is represented by plus sign. Here plus represent OR operation. So it is known as A or B. Remember, OR operation and addition plus operations both are the different things. So A or B and A plus B, both the inputs work as a different. Here is the graphical representation of OR gate. We have a two input A and B, and we have a output A or B. Characteristic of OR gate: whenever only one or both the input 1, we have a 1 output, otherwise we have a 0 output. That means for 0 or 0, 0, 0 or 1, 1, 1 or 0, 1, 1 or 1, 1. Remember here 1 or 1 is equal to 1. Binary addition 1 plus 1 becomes 1 0 when 0 is known as a sum. So here 1 or 1, we have a 1 output. So this is why binary addition and binary OR operation both are different. The logical expression of OR gate is Y is equals to A plus B. So this is how OR gate can work. NAND gate. A NAND gate is a NOT plus AND gate which is equal to AND gate followed by a NOT gate. The outputs of NAND gate is high if any of the inputs are low. A NAND gate is basically NOT plus AND gate. If the input variables are A and B, the NAND operation is represented as A dot B whole bar or simply AB bar or AB whole dash or AB dash. Here is the graphical representation of NAND gate: A, B, two inputs and one output AB dash. Here purple indicates NOT operation. Characteristic of NAND gate: whenever one of the inputs 0 or says whenever we have a same input 1 1 for both the input condition, our output becomes 0. Otherwise for all condition we have a high output, that means 1. 0 0 1 0 1 we have a 1, 1 0 we have a 1, but for 1 1 condition we have a output 0. The logical expression of NAND gate is Y is equals to AB bar. Now as we know that NAND is a universal gate, so let's discuss NAND as a universal gate. A universal gate is a gate which can implement any Boolean function without need to use any other gate type. That means using only one gate we can implement any kind of function. A NAND gate is a universal gate from which all basic gates are derived, which are discussed as follow. First, NAND as a NOT gate. So whenever we short both the outputs and we give both the inputs in a NAND gate same input, then we have a NAND gate as a NOT gate. That means in a both the input we give A. So here A dot A dash, and according to binary characteristic, A dot A is equal to simply A. So we have here Y is equals to A dash. So this is how NAND work as a NOT gate. Then next, NAND as a AND gate. Here is the graphical representation how NAND as a AND gate work. Here in a first NAND gate we give A and B two inputs and outputs are AB dash, and using only one input we again give it to NAND gate. So here we have a output AB bar whole bar, and as according to characteristic, complements of any complement can become a original number. That means A dash of dash become A. Like for example, if we invert 0, so we have a output 1. If we invert 1, then we have a output 0. That means whenever we inverted any output twicely, we have a original number. So here NAND as a AND gate work. NAND as a OR gate. Here is the graphical representation. To implement OR gate, we use 3 NAND gate. Here first NAND gate is used to invert A output. So here we have a A dash, then we have a B dash. Now these both are given to other NAND gate. So we have a A dash dot B dash whole dash, and by using De Morgan's law we can represent that as a dash dash plus B dash dash, or says A bar over bar plus B bar over bar, and again as a complement of any number twicely we have a original number. So we have a plus B over here. So using this 3 NAND gate, we can invert output and we have a OR characteristic using this NAND gate. Next, NOR gate. A NOR gate is a NOT plus OR gate which is equal to an OR gate followed by a NOT gate. The output of NOR gates are low if any of the inputs are high. This is exactly opposite of a OR gate. If the input variables are A and B, the NOR operation is represented as A plus B whole bar or A plus B whole dash. Here is the graphical representation of NOR operation. Characteristic of NOR: if A and B both are 0, then we have a 1, because A plus B, or says A or B 0 or 0, we have A or B 0. That means here 0 or 0 0, and here NOR gate, so output of OR gates inverted. So here 0 invert 1. So here 0 NOR 0 1, and for any other operation, whenever one of the inputs become 1, we have a 0 output. So 0 NOR 1 0, 1 NOR 0 0, 1 NOR 1 0. Logical expression of NOR gate is Y equal to A plus B whole bar. NOR as a universal gate. NOR is a universal gate which all basic gates are derived as follow. NOR as a NOT gate. So using same input in both the input condition, we have a NOT gate operations. That means A plus A bar and as according to characteristic a plus a is equals to a. So here a plus a is equals to a. So for this NOR operation a plus a bar, we have only a bar. So this is how NOR work as a NOT gate. Then NOR as a OR gate. So to perform OR operation, we require two NOR gates. So here in first NOR gate, NOR operation is implemented. A plus B whole dash. Now this required again inversion. So here we use only one input and becomes inverted output. So A plus B bar dash whole dash, we have a plus b. So this is how using NOR we can implement OR gate. NOR as a NAND gate. So to implement AND operation, we require three NOR gate. Here first, for a first NOR operation, here A becomes A dash and B becomes B dash. Using this two NOR, we can invert our input condition. That means here A dash and B dash. Then again, there's NOR are given to input condition A dash and B dash. Here A dash and B dash given to another NOR gate. So here we have a output condition A dash plus B dash whole dash. A dash plus B dash whole dash. And now using De Morgan's law, we have A dash B dash whole dash. We have A dash B dash whole dash. And inversion of any number twicely, we have a original number AB. So A dash dash dot B dash, we have a AB. Using De Morgan's law, we can simplify this operations, and this is how we can implement AND gate using NOR gate. XOR gate, that means exclusive OR. The exclusive OR gate is a circuit which will give a high output if either of but not both of its inputs become high. If the input variable A and B, the XOR operation is represented as A XOR B. This is the symbol of XOR gate. Here is the graphical representation of XOR gate. Characteristic of XOR gate: whenever two inputs are same, that means for A and B 0 and for A and B 1, we have a 0 output. Otherwise, for a different input condition, we have a 1 output. That means 0 XOR 0, 0, 0 XOR 1, 1, 1 XOR 0, 1 and 1 XOR 1, 0. The logical expression of XOR gate is Y equal to A dash B plus AB dash. So this is why we can call XOR as a derived type gate, because here using NOT and OR gate we can implement this logical expression. So this is why XOR gate is known as a derived type gate. This is the characteristic equation or logical expression of XOR gate A dash B plus AB dash. XNOR gate, the exclusive NOR gate circuit does the opposite to the XOR gate. It will give a low output if either but not both of its two inputs are high. If the input variables are A and B, the XNOR operation is represented as A XNOR B. This is the graphical symbol of XNOR. Graphical representation of XNOR gate A, B, we have A XNOR B output. Here is the characteristic of a XNOR gate. Whenever both the inputs are same, that means for input condition 0, 0 and for input condition 1, 1, we have a high output 1. and for other condition we have a 0 output, exactly opposite of a XOR. 0 XNOR 0, 1, 0 XNOR 1, 0, 1 XNOR 0, 0 and 1 XNOR 1, 1. The logical expression of XNOR gate is AB plus A dash B dash. AB plus A dash B dash. So this is how XNOR gate works. So in today's session we discussed about various logical gates which are used to perform various logical operations. Thank you.